Hello everybody and welcome to your Saturday lunchtime 49s draw. You need to place your bets right now to be in with a chance of winning with us as you have less than 60 seconds to go. And I hope you're all enjoying the lovely long bank holiday weekend, and if you fancy adding a little extra funds to your back pocket to make up for the extra day, then this Saturday, yes, this is your opportunity to do that. You could have a bet today on a Trixie bet, which is a multiple bet that includes 4 bets in total, 3 doubles and a treble. So you pick 3 numbers and only 2 need to drop to win. But whichever bet you fancy, make sure you get it on right now. There's less than 30 seconds now until the draw. And don't forget, you can follow us on our social pages, X, Facebook and Instagram, to keep up to date with all things 49s. You can find us at 49s Draw. So if you want to get in touch with us, then our social pages are the easiest way to do that. So if you're celebrating a win and want a little shout out from one of us, then please let us know and we will congratulate you live on air. But for now, this is it, the last chance to bet on the lunchtime draw. So good luck, and I hope I'll be your lucky charm.
Lovely stuff. Thank you, Gina. No more bets, please. 12.49.27. Good luck, everybody, playing the draw. SPs are through from Toaster, and a show for the 12.54. That's from Doncaster. Saturday's lunchtime 49s. Kicking off. Yellow 32. Ball number 2, and that is purple 27. Ball 3 is yellow 11. Ball 4 is green 8. Ball 5 is orange 38. And that's ball 6 is blue 14. Here's the booster. And we boost with purple 41. Lovely stuff. Let's return to the studio.
Those are your lucky numbers. We've got 32, 27, Tony's lucky number 11, 8, 38, 14, and then the reverse of that, 41. Hopefully they were lucky for you, and don't forget to join me for the tea time draw. You've got me for the double today, so I'll see you later. Bye-bye for now.